Hello everyone. In today's tutorial I will show you how you can install text replacement on your iPhone. Text replacement is a very cool feature that can speed up typing of frequently used phrases. To enable this on our phone, we need to open the settings. After that we should go to the General section. In the options that open, find Keyboard. We click. In the new menu, the option we need is text replacement. Let's open it. To add our shortcut, go to the plus symbol in the upper right corner. In the first field, we enter the phrase in its full form. In the shortcut field, write the short version that we want to use. After that, exit settings and check if the setting was successful. As you can see, the abbreviation we type is replaced by the full form of the phrase we use. That would be it for this video. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.